Copper braided tape is the power vessel of new energy vehicle battery packs, demanding absolute reliability at its connection points. Traditional processing has three challenges. First, sub 0.5 mm precision for compressed sections, easy deformation of soft copper during high pressure, cutting at compressing low yield, and full automation traceability for each solder joint as a safety component. Our integrated cutting and compressing machine solves these. It uses an inverter DC power supply, no soldering. Excellent conductivity with an electromechanical high rigidity structure plus servo system. It achieves 0.5 mm tolerance and zero fillet cutting. It also intelligently monitors welding current, pressure, etc. with all data saved for full traceability. Do you have such copper braided tape that needs welding? Please feel free to contact us for details.